Pare, can you take the carton now? They're in the IB, right? IB gate. IB gate. Security guard coming here in the shop, asking for this one. So please take it now. Okay? Thank you. Sir, I already ordered 4 pieces for tomorrow. They bring tomorrow and then fix it here. And then I will send to you tomorrow. Partition is 4 and then this one is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter like this. 3 centimeter. Only this one and this one and this one is 5 centimeter. And then the middle one, this one is coming 4 centimeter. So sir, so this is our original invoice, okay? So this is mention everything. So we put everything, your TRN number here, and your company name here, address in your location, 2 mobile number at least, and then all the items mentioned here. And then on here there is also the total amount including VAT, and then advance 10,000 here. And then the balance is here after when you want to the delivery, before your fixing, you need to pay the balance, okay? And then we will go through for the fixing date, okay? So there is no issue about that. So this is your copy. So this is the delivery note coming, okay sir? See, if you will see here, this is the boss desk 2 meter size, 7 pieces. This one is 2 pieces, the boss chair. And here you need 5 pieces, but we have 9. So you need to send the money now to book it, okay? Now I make the bill now, okay? I send now the, what you call this? I send now the bank account details, okay?
Subscribe! Sana all! Subscribe!